Is the WhatsApp app or icon missing on your iPhone? I understand how annoying that can be, but don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue of WhatsApp not showing up. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Check App Library. Swipe left on your home screen to the App Library. Then tap on the search bar at the top. Now search WhatsApp. Here you will find the WhatsApp app. If you don't find here, then follow my next solution. Solution 2. Check Hidden Apps. Open up the Settings app. After that, tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Then scroll down to the bottom. Tap Hidden Apps. Enter the passcode. If you find the WhatsApp app here, then unhide the app. To do that, go back to home screen. Swipe left on your home screen to the app library. Then scroll down. You'll find a box called Hidden. Tap on it. Enter the passcode. Then press and hold on the WhatsApp app. Next, tap Don't Require Password. Enter the passcode if it asks for it again. Now tap on the search bar at the top. Search WhatsApp. Solution 3. Turn off restrictions. Go to the settings again. Next, scroll down. Tap Screen Time. Again, scroll down. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then tap Allowed Apps and Features. Make sure the WhatsApp is toggled on here. Solution 4. Reset Home Screen Layout. Open Settings, tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Home Screen Layout. Then enter the passcode of your phone if it wants. Tap Reset Home Screen. After the resetting home screen, go back to your iPhone home screen and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope the issue is fixed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.